This is Samsung's best photos editing app that you are not using. So let's show you how to use it. Welcome back to SamMobile TV. You're here with Daniel. Today I want to have a look at Galaxy Enhance X. This is a downloadable app through the Galaxy Store that allows you to, enhance your photos on your Samsung. And it got some really nifty features. I'll just show you first what to type in, Galaxy Enhance X. And it's there, and then you open it, and away that we go. So, first of all, let's sort of show you the interface. You could got the three dots at the top, which allows you to share the app and about this app. And that's not exciting. And then you've got a little carousel here showing you some stuff that you can do. So you've got focus shift, you've got slow-mo, where you can touch and hold videos to create smooth cinematic slow-mo clips. Camera shift, this is where you can actually adjust the camera angle to enhance portraits. It's pretty neat. You've got remove blur, so if you've got blurry photos, you can transform them into what it says picture perfect moments. Cool. Single take, this one I like, because single take is a camera mode that records video and then takes the best frames out and makes an album of photos and videos. Well, now if you just upload a video, it can do that for you. And then sky guide, where this is something to do with night sky images and allows you to discover what the constellations and everything like that. So we'll go through that. There is downloadable features down the bottom here where you've got the camera shift and the sky guide. They are two downloadable ones that you can get. But basically, let's go in and select a picture or a video and see what we can do with it. All right, I got a photo here of my kids. So this is one that might help with showing you some of the photo capabilities. So you've got some toggles in here saying magic, where literally it'll just apply effects for you and you don't have to do anything. Great. That could be the end of the video really, and you could just do that. Has a little before or after, so it's kind of applied a bit of a filter to that one. You can also rate it if you want to. Let's not worry about that. Down the bottom, you've got the things that you can cycle through. This suggestions one is the things that it thinks might make good for this photo. But then you've got the other stuff that you can do. You can brighten, you can have a dynamic range applied to it. Neat. Discard that. You've got quick fixes, where this has got a lot of stuff in here. Like it can remove shadows, remove reflections, fix remove haze, remove blur, as I showed you before, denoise, sharpen, cleanup dock, and fix lens distortion. If it's people, you can make a face effect applied on it, and you can add things like smoothness. You've got the portrait effect, where this will actually just apply like a background blur to sort of give it that sort of portrait and depth of field. Neat. Discard. Camera shift. This is one of the ones I spoke about before, where you can actually lower the camera height for longer legs or a smaller head, and you can kind of do that with this little slider here. And then it shows you a before and after. Pretty cool. And you can do it per person as well. So if you just wanted to do it for one person or all three, you can do that as well. Again, neat. And then you've got a creative one where you can create like a 24-hour time lapse. You've got a focus shift option, and the focus shift will, after it apply, you can shift the focus from certain areas of the photo, and it'll just apply it, as you can see. And then you've got a transform where you can crop it, or you can increase the resolution as well. I want to come back to this suggestions one, because there's one in here. These are the ones that it thinks the photo needs. So if I hit remove reflections, the idea would be it would find reflections in like the screen or something like that and try and remove them. As you can see, it's kind of just darkened up the TV behind them to try and remove any sort of reflections that it's got. Clever. Now that's cool. It can do some of that cool stuff. I want to show you what it can do with video, because that's cool as well. So if I go to camera, let's find this video here of my daughter going up at football. All right, you select how much of the video it can, and you've got three options. You've got single take, you've got long exposure, and you've got slow-mo. So if I choose single take, what this will do is it's going to extract frames from the video that I've captured and give me still images and a series of video clips that I can sort of save and have as like a little album. It says it's taking a little longer than usual. I don't know how long usual would be, but this is taking a little longer than usual, apparently. Not for you though. Speed this up. There we go, just like that, it's done. As you can see, it's got a little boomerang that it's made. It's got a still image that it's taken. It's made of black and white, which is a really nice black and white moment. And it's made a little highlight video and put it to music. Man, awesome. And then you save that, and then that'll save in the gallery. Love it. You've got a long exposure that it can do, or it can actually take the video and create a long exposure out of it. There you go. That's a long exposure that it's done. And again, you can save that, or you can make a slow-mo from it, where it will kind of trim the video down, or like find a specific part of the video to make into like a bit of a slow-mo. And I can make, I can touch and hold this at any point, and then it will turn that part into the slow-mo clip. As you can see, it's now creating a bunch of them and saving it. There we go. Look at that. Nice. I actually have the perfect video that I want to make that with, so allow me to find it. This one here. My son's football goal. So let's go back, okay, there, and hit slow-mo. So it's just going to trim the video down to this specific point, and then I want to long press on that right before he's about to strike it. Goes into the net, and then I release, and then now that's saved the slow-mo clip. So let's have a look at it there. It's a good goal. Nice, definitely. And then I'll hit save, and then now that's saved in the gallery as well. We can go and have a look at it in the gallery. There's the single take one. As you can see, it's made the single take album. There's the long exposure, and there's the slow-mo for the goal. And I can long press and make that even slower using the gallery's instant slow-mo feature, but you know, whatever. It's in Galaxy Enhance X as well. So look, that is the Galaxy Enhance X app. There's a lot that you can do in here. Samsung have allowed this kind of thing to take place, a lot of features, and I think it's only going to get more, especially as they've added in downloadable features too, where you can actually download modules. So they can just tack on a module and it can come into here. Great app, great feature set, and one I think a lot of people will enjoy using. Download it from the Galaxy Store, hit subscribe to SamMobile TV for more content like this, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.